Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can unban a member on your Discord server. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to unban a member on your Discord server, it's actually pretty easy. So to do that, first, I want you to go to the server for which you want to unban a member. And once you're on the server, next, I want you to tap the server name at the top. And after tapping it, you will be directed to the server's profile. So here on the server's profile, I want you to go to Settings. And once you're on Settings, next, I want you to scroll down to the very bottom. So here at the very bottom of the settings, you will now be able to see the ban option, so just go and tap it. And after that, you will now be able to see all the members that you banned from your server, so just select the one that you want to unban. And then you will now be able to see the unban button right here, so just tap it to completely unban this member. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, you have now unbanned the member. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.